Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another Durango video. Today we start the long and probably not very fun process of removing the engine. I've gotten all these bits out. I forgot to record. It just now hit me. Oh, I'm supposed to be recording. So here I am. Got the cowl out, windshield wiper blades, motor. I don't know, I guess that's like a strut tower, but it's kind of light, doesn't really seem like it do much. And this is what it looks like so far. There's much more space to be able to get to the heads. Might take the hood off, and I'm just gonna take everything surrounding and I will continue on. So I'll go ahead and just put up a time lapse, and it'll just be pulling all the small stuff out, like the airbox and radiator, intake manifold, throttle body, and then once I get down to the bare block, I will start filming again. Alright, just to give you guys an update, I am struggling with getting the radiator out, and I don't know what this is. Maybe for the air conditioning, probably for the air conditioning. So it looks like there's two tiny hoses down there, if you can see, that I need to get off, and then I can pull upward. So okay guys, so I got the radiators out. There's some maybe power steering, cooler, and or I don't know, these two other ones. I'm not gonna say I know what they are because I don't. They're just hanging. I'm now looking at the front of the engine, and I think from here I'll probably take off this line and start taking the front off, all the alternator, water pump, AC compressor, everything on the front, and then maybe the intake manifold, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I got the alternator and air compressor out. It's much easier to see the intake manifold now. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the intake manifold. It looks like there's a pin going through to the head, so I probably am going to have to remove the water pump assembly to get the head off, but we'll find out. Okay guys, it's getting kind of late. Gonna be dark soon. So we got all the plug wires off the top. They're over there, which I'll show you in a second. We got one of the coils out. I'm working on taking the second coil out. I have 7 more. But due to it getting dark, I'm going to, in part 1 here, I will go ahead and take the rest of all the coils out off video. And then in the next part, we'll go ahead and start removing the intake manifold and everything else that's around, anything that needs to be removed to get the heads off. So let me show you everything we've removed so far. Got all this. got quite the mess to clean up. And there's the plug wires over there I was talking about. Got the belt. So, it's coming along.